Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses. Quantitative aptitude video on profit and loss. We are going to solve few questions in which profit is made by mixing low cost or absolutely free material and selling it, like mixing water in milk or some such type of material, and then to make profit. Our question is, a milkman purchases certain quantity of milk. He mixes 25% water in the milk, then sells at 20% more than purchase cost. Find his profit percent. The given options are option A 50%, option B 60%, option C 45%, option D 36%. We solve the question. 25% is 1 upon 4 when expressed in fractions. So we assume the quantity purchased by the milkman is, say, 4 liters. Now he adds 25% water into it, and 25% of 4 is 1. So he adds 1 liter of water and makes the mixture of 5 liters. 4 liter plus 1 liter is 5 liters. Now, if we assume that price or purchase cost per liter is, say, 1 unit of currency, then he spends 4 units of currency while buying it, and after mixing he is selling 5 liters of the mixture, and he is selling at 20% more price or more cost. So 20% of 1 is 0.2. So his selling cost is 1.2, and amount made by him is 5 liter multiplied by 1.2 is equal to 6 units of currency. Then his profit is, he receives 6 units of currency and he had invested 4 units of currency. So 6 minus 4 equal to 2, which is his profit. And 2 on 4 is 50%. So his profit is 50%. Now we can solve it also. Profit divided by cost multiplied by 100 is profit percent. So 2 cancels 4 for 2 times and 2 cancels 100 for 50 times. So this comes out to be 50%. We can solve this question orally as described by me. So the profit of the milkman is 50%. And from the given options, the answer is option A 50%. Hope you have understood the how to solve this question by shortcut method as described here. We go to the next question. Our question is, a milkman buys some milk at the rate of rupees 30 per liter. He mixes 15 liters of water in it and sells at the rate of rupees 33 per liter. If he earns a profit of 20%, find quantity in liters of milk he purchased. The given options are option A 150, option B 165, option C 180, option D 170. These quantities are in liters. We solve this question by two methods. One is conventional method and other is shortcut method. Let quantity of milk be X, and then water mixed in it is 15 liters. Then the quantity becomes X plus 15. Now cost price is at the rate of rupees 30 per liter. So cost price is 30x and selling price is at the rate of 33 per liter. So this becomes 33x plus 15 into 33 is 495. Now it is given that he earns 20% profit in the entire deal. So if his cost price is 30x, then if we add 20% to it, then 20% of 30 is 6. So it becomes 36x. Therefore, the selling price is 36x and this is equal to 33x plus 495. This gives us 36 minus 33 is 3x equal to 495. Therefore, x equal to 495 divided by 3 is 165. Therefore, the milk purchased by the milkman was 165 liters. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 165 liters. Now we solve it by shortcut method, as he makes overall 20% profit. So the total value received is 120 if 100 is the cost price. Now the purchase rate is 30 and the selling rate is 33. It means that he is making 10% profit. If the quantity of milk was 100, then the value received for milk is 410 liters. 10% on 100 is 10. So it is 110 liters. Now the amount received is 420 liters. It means that if milk is 110, then water is 10. This is milk, this is water, and this is total quantity or total amount received. Therefore, milk ratio water equal to 110 ratio 10. But it is given that water mixed was 15 liter. If we make water equal to 15, then we have to multiply 110 ratio 10 by 1.5. So 1.5 multiplied by 10 is 15. So water becomes 15. And 1.5 multiplied by 110 becomes 165. Therefore, milk equal to 165 liters. This is the shortcut or easy method of solving this question. And from the given options, our answer is option B. I hope you have understood the shortcut method of solving this question. We go to the next question. Our question is, a milkman buys 180 liters of milk at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. He mixes some water in it and sells at the rate of rupees 24 per liter. If he earns a profit of 30%, find the quantity of water in liters he mixed. The given options are option A 15, option B 18, option C 20, option D 22. These quantities are in liters. We solve this question by two methods. The first is the conventional method and other is the shortcut method. The quantity of milk given is 180 liters, and after mixing the water, it is sold. Let X liter of water is mixed in it, then the total quantity becomes 180 plus X. The cost price of 180 liters is 180 multiplied by 20, as the purchase cost is 20 rupees per liter. So it is 180 multiplied by 20, and selling price is rupees 24 per liter. So it is 180 plus X into 24. Now it is given that he is earning 30% profit. So the selling price actually becomes 180 multiplied by 20 into 130 upon 100. And this is equal to 180 plus X multiplied by 24. I hope you have understood this step. The profit percent is 30% and cost price is 180 multiplied by 20. If profit percent is 30%, then it is the selling price is 130%, and if we multiply 130% to 180 multiplied by 20, then it comes out to be 180 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 130 over 100, and the selling price comes out to be 180 plus X into 24. So we equate these two. Now we have to find the value of X. 0 of 180 and 0 of 130 is cancelled by 0 of 100 in denominator. Now 6 cancels 18 for 3 times and 24 for 4 times, and 4 cancels 20 for 5 times. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 13 is 195. Therefore 195 equal to 180 plus x. This gives x equal to 195 minus 180 is 15. So the quantity of water mixed is 15 liters. And from the given options, our answer is option A. Now we solve it by shortcut method. Let the quantity of milk is 100, then he is receiving the value for 130 liters because he is making 30% profit. As the purchase cost is 20 and selling cost or selling price is 24 per liter, and 24 is 120% of 20. So if the milk was 100, then he was receiving the money for milk is 120, 20% on 100. But actual money received is 130. Therefore 10, 130 minus 120 is 10, is received for water. Therefore milk ratio water equal to 120 ratio 10 or 12 ratio 1. But the quantity of milk given to us is 180 liters. So we have to make 12 equal to 180. So we have to multiply both quantities by 15. So this becomes 12 multiplied by 15 is 180. So milk quantity is 180 and water quantity is 1 multiplied by 15 is 15. Therefore water equal to 15 liters. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 15 liters. Hope you have understood this shortcut method. We go to the next question. Our question is, a milkman bought milk at the rate of rupees 24 per liter and mixes water in it, then sells at the rate of rupees 30 per liter. He makes profit of 40%. Find ratio of milk and water in the mixture. The given options are option A 24 ratio 5, option B 21 ratio 2, option C 25 ratio 3, option D 20 ratio 3. We solve the question like this. Let the quantity of milk be x liters and quantity of water be y liters. Then cost price of milk is 24 multiplied by x, which is 24x, as the milk is purchased at the rate of rupees 24 per liter. Now the profit earned is 40%. It means that the cost received is 140%. So selling price comes out to be 24x multiplied by 140 upon 100. Now it is given that the mixture is sold at the rate of rupees 30. So the quantity of mixture is x plus y and it is sold at the rate of 30. So the selling price from the given data comes out to be x plus y into 30. So we have to equate this, and on equating we get 24x multiplied by 140 divided by 100 equal to x plus y into 30. 0 of numerator from 140 is cancelled by 0 of denominator of 100. 6 divides 24 for 4 times and 30 for 5 times. 2 cancels 4 for 2 times and 10 for 5 times. Multiplying both sides by 5 or by cross multiplication, we get 14 times 2 is 28x equal to 5 times 5 is 25 25 multiplied by x is 25x plus 25y. This gives 28x minus 25x is 3x equal to 25y, giving x upon y equal to 25 upon 3. Therefore, x ratio y equal to 25 ratio 3. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 25 ratio 3. Now we solve this question by shortcut method. We solve the question like this. As he is making a 40% overall profit, and if the quantity of milk be 100, then he is receiving the amount for 140 liters. 40% on 100 is 40 and 100 plus 40 is 140. As he buys the milk at rupees 24 and sells at rupees 30 per liter, it means that he is making a profit of 6 on 24, which is 25%, and 100 plus 25 is 125%. So the selling price is 125% of the cost price, or we can say that the value of milk is for 125 liters. So we write 125 as the value for milk. Then 140 minus 125 is the value for water which he mixed. So the milk ratio water is 125 ratio 15. We divide both the quantity by 5. So we get it as 25 ratio 3. Thus milk ratio water is 25 ratio 3. As simple as that. We solve it with a short trick and we reach to the answer fast. And from the given options, our answer is option C. I hope you have understood the shortcut method. I revise it quickly. The overall profit is 40%. If the quantity of milk be 100, then he is receiving the value for 140 liters of milk. As the cost price is 24 and selling price is 30, and 30 is 125% of 24. Therefore, if the quantity of milk was 100, then the value received for milk is for 125 liters of milk. So we write milk equal to 125. But he was making the money for 140 liters. 140 liters minus 125 liters is 15 liters. So the balance money coming from the quantity of water. Therefore, milk ratio water is 125 ratio 15, and 5 is common in between 125 and 15. So we divide both the quantities by 5. That comes out to be 25 ratio 3. Thus milk ratio water equal to 25 ratio 3, and from the given options, our answer is option C. We go to the next question. Our question is, a milkman purchased 40 liters of milk at the rate of rupees 32 per liter and mixed some water into it. He sold this mixture at the rate of rupees 40 per liter and gained a profit of 37.5%. How many liters of water was mixed in the milk? The given options are option A 8, option B 6, option C 4, option D 5. We will solve this question by conventional method as well as by shortcut method. The cost price of 40 liters is 40 multiplied by 32, and selling price is having 37.5% profit on it. It means that the selling price is 137.5%. So 40 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 137.5 divided by 100. Now it is given that the selling price is at the rate of rupees 40 per liter of the mixture after adding say x liter of water into it, that is 40 liter of milk plus x liter of water is sold at the rate of rupees 40. So we write 40 plus x multiplied by 40, and these two selling price must be equal. So we equate it. Now we have to solve the equation and find the value of x, which will be our answer. So the 40 cancels on both sides, 4 cancels, 32 for 8 times and 100 for 25 times. 12.5 cancels 25 for 2 times and 137.5 for 11 times, and 2 cancels 8 for 4 times. So this gives us 11 times 4 is 44 equal to 40 plus x, giving the value of x equal to 44 minus 40 equal to 4, and this is 4 liters. Thus the quantity of water mixed in the milk is 4 liters, and from the given options our answer is option C, 4 liters. Now we solve this question by shortcut method. As the total quantity is sold at 37.5% profit, it means that if the quantity of milk is say 100 liters, then the sale value is of 137.5 liters. So we write it as 137.5. The purchase cost is at the rate of rupees 32 and selling cost is at the rate of rupees 40 per liter, and 40 is 125% of 32. It means that the milk which was 100 liters is giving the value of 125 liters with 25% profit. Therefore, the value of water is 137.5 minus 125, which is 12.5. Thus the ratio of quantity of milk and water is in the ratio 125 ratio 12.5, and 12.5 is 1/10 of 125. This gives the ratio of milk to water is 10 ratio 1. Now it is given that the quantity of milk is 40 liter. So we multiply this ratio by 4. So we get 40 ratio 4. Multiplying both the quantities of the ratio by 4, we get 40 ratio 4. It means that when the milk is 40 liter, the water is 4 liter. Therefore, water equal to 4 liters, and from the given options, our answer is option C, 4 liters. I hope you have understood the shortcut method for solving this question. We go to the next question. Our question is, a milkman mixes water in the milk and sells it at 10% above the purchase price of milk. If he makes a profit of 20%, find how many liters of water is in 26.4 liters of this mixture. The given options are option A 2.4, option B 2.64, option C 2.2, option D 3. We solve the question first by conventional method and then by shortcut method. Let the quantity of milk be x liters and it is at a unit price of currency. So x liter is of x unit of currency. Then cost price is x and it is sold at 20% profit. Then 20% on 1 is 0.2. Therefore, the sale price is 1 plus 0.2 is 1.2x. This is the selling price. and the given quantity of mixture is 26.4 liter, and the mixture is sold at 10% profit. So 26.4 multiplied by 10% is 0.1 on 1. So that is 1.1 is the selling price. So we multiply 1.1 to 26.4, and these two selling price must be equal, so we equate it. Now 1.2 cancels 26.4 for 22 times. Therefore, x is equal to 22 multiplied by 1.1, and 1.1 into 22 is equal to 24.2. Thus, the quantity of milk in 26.4 liters of mixture is 24.2. Therefore, water equal to 26.4 minus 24.2 equal to 2.2. Thus, the quantity of water in 26.4 liter of mixture is 2.2 liters. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 2.2 liters. Now we solve this question by shortcut method. Let the quantity of milk be 100. Then the value received is for 120 liters, as the profit is 20%. So we write the value of mixture to be 120. Now the selling price is 10% above the purchase price. It means that the 100 liters of milk is sold at the value of 110 liters of milk. When the total receipt is 120 and the receipt of the milk is 110, therefore the receipt of the water is 10. Thus the mixture ratio water is 120 ratio 10, that is 12:1. Therefore, in 26.4 liter of mixture, what is the quantity of water? 1 multiplied by 26.4 divided by 12, and this is equal to 2.2. Therefore, water in the mixture is 2.2 liters. And from the given options, our answer is option C. Hope you have understood the shortcut of solving this question. Please do lot of practice from different books and solve as many questions as possible to become expert in solving the questions of profit and loss. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.